Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story called Birds by Kevin Henkes. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just shapes. Birds can be big or little, or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away just for a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this or this. Sometimes, in the winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Okay.